How to fix random black screen in Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, there are two reasons for this issue. So the first one is you have to update all your drivers. Simply go to device manager and click on this display adapters and make sure to update both of these adapters driver. For that, double click on that and go for this driver beside general and simply click on this update driver. Once you are done, do the same for this Intel HD graphics 530. So once you are done, you have to go for the monitors and make sure to update their drivers as well. So once you are done with all of these, see if this resolves your issue or not. So the second reason for that, if you are using dual monitors and if the other monitor is on different refresh rate from the other one, this can also cause this issue. So that's how basically you can fix random black screen in Windows 11.